Hello everyone, this is Shayan, and in this video I'm gonna explain the Claude Code Hooks lifecycle. Code Hooks lifecycle is also available in the official documentation, but with my repo in which I have implemented the 26 hooks till the version 2.1.87, we'll try to see how these hooks being triggered one by one. Hooks plays a very significant role if you want to make your workflows deterministic. There is one more video in which I have explained all the hooks and what are the use cases. For example, post tool use can be used to auto format code and stuff like this. In this repo, what I have done, on each of these 26 hooks, a pre-recorded human sound will be played. On the pre-tool use hook, mouse click sound will be played. On the post-tool use hook, keyboard sound will be played. So without wasting any time, let's move to the demo. We will work like this, first, then second. As you can see, as soon as I'll start the Claude, you will hear the session start and instructions loaded sound. Instructions loaded is basically when the claude.md is being in and Claude rules are being inserted in your context. So let's start. I'm starting the Claude.
Instructions loaded.
As you can see, instructions loaded and session start. Now I'll test this prompt and it will basically call the user prompt submit. As soon as I submit the prompt, then a pre-tool use will be called because I am fetching the weather. It will ask for my permission, then post tool use, then the stop. Let us test.
User prompt submit.
User prompt submit. You will see the pre-tool use. Here you go, and a post tool use and a keyboard sound.
Request.
Now it asks my permission. There's a permission request. I allowed it, and after the completion you will see the stop hook being triggered.
Claude stopped.
Claude stop. Let's test few more hooks. Let's test the sub-agent hooks.
User
It will
prompt submit.
use the explore sub-agent to read the readme file. So you will see
Sub-agent start.
sub-agent start. You will see the sub-agent stop also.
Sub-agent stopped.
Okay, let us test the post tool use
Claude
failure.
stopped. User prompt submit.
Post tool use failure will be triggered.
Tool failed.
Tool failed. Right now,
Claude
let's
stopped.
do the compaction.
Pre-compact.
Pre-compact and post-compact. Meanwhile, let us test the agent teams, and since it is in
Instructions loaded.
experimental, so we need to start the Claude with this experimental flag. Let me ask the agent team to QA this project.
User prompt submit.
Okay. Now, meanwhile, it's compacting.
Post-compact.
It's done. You see post compact. Let us test this API error hook. We need to start the Claude with the invalid API key and then send a prompt. Let us
Claude session end.
start Claude and
Instructions loaded. User prompt failure.
stop failure. As soon as I send the hi, it says stop failure. Now let's say test these MCP tools. MCP hooks.
Claude session end. Task created.
Task created, as you can see, the
Task
agent teams.
created.
It is agent teams and task created
Task created.
because of the agent teams. Now let's start.
Task created. Instructions
You
loaded.
get the idea, right?
Task created.
Okay, let's test the elicitation hooks of the MCP in the another terminal window.
User prompt submit.
You will see the elicitation and elicitation result. These are
Permission request.
not main hooks but are useful.
Elicitation.
Yes, is elicitation. And now let's accept this.
Notification result.
Elicitation notification is triggered when you leave Claude for 1 minute idle. Meanwhile, our use this and
Tool failed.
okay, let's test the config change. In order to change the config, you need to edit the settings.json file. Let me open the demo settings.json and remove this.
Config change.
You see config change. Let me revert it. Now
Config change.
let's test the Worktree.
Claude session end.
Let's test the
session
Worktree
end.
here.
Instructions
session
loaded.
start.
User prompt submit.
Enter Worktree and you will see the Worktree will get lighten up here.
Worktree failed.
Worktree created. And meanwhile, let me test the setup
Tool
hook
failed.
here.
Instructions
Session
loaded.
Here you can see setup hook. In order to cd to the parent directory, when you change the directory, this current working directory change hook gets triggered. So let's start Claude
Instructions
session
loaded.
and ask him
User
to
prompt
change the
submit.
directory.
Directory change.
You see directory change, and last
Tool
hook
stopped.
is the latest one, which is basically if you added env file, then you will hear
Claude
this.
session end.
So I'm in the demo directory and I'll ask to update the env, so you will see the file change hook.
File changed.
File changed. Okay, task completed and is not being teammate idle because I stopped the agent team in the midway. That's why it didn't get triggered. We can check task completed by asking him to create a small task. Create a task to add 2 + 2.
User prompt submit.
Now
Task created.
task created and it should
Task complete.
task completed. So except for this teammate idle, because I have stopped the agent teams in the midway, all these hooks are working. So in this way you can learn the life cycle of these hooks. Each and every hook is very important. You can integrate in your workflows. Thank you for watching this video. I'll create few more videos, and do check out my another repo, which is claude-code best practices, and in which is almost 25,000 stars. I have listed down all the important tips and from the official creator of Claude and Claude team. So do check it out. Thank you.